Hi everyone, today we're going over multiplying fractions. To start off, in the fraction 3 over 5, let's remember the top number is the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. When we are multiplying fractions such as 3 over 5 times 1 over 3, we multiply the numerators and the denominators across. On a side note, multiplying the numerator and denominator across only works in multiplication. When you are adding or subtracting fractions, you cannot add both the numerator and the denominator. In this example, 3 over 5 times 1 over 3 equals 3 over 15. 3 over 15 is not in simplest form. Both the numerator and the denominator can be divided by 3, which gives us 1 over 5. Here are some examples. 3 over 4 times 3 over 5 equals 9 over 20. We multiply 3 and 3 to get 9 and 4 and 5 to get 20. 9 over 20 is in simplest form because it does not have common multiples to be divided into. This other example, 6 times 1 over 2. 6 is the same as 6 over 1 written as a fraction. So we multiply 6 over 1 times 1 over 2, which gives us 6 over 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times, which gives us 3 as the answer.